pop-up camper vans are like the Swiss Army knives of travel rigs, nailing the perfect balance between on-the-go flexibility and at-home comfort. Today, we're taking a look at the best pop-up camper vans that are worth buying in 2024. From innovative designs to impressive features, these rigs are sure to impress. So, buckle up and let's hit the road. The 2024 Dazzle 2AB is a compact camper van at about 21 feet, perfect for adventurers seeking versatility. Built on a Ram 3500 XT window van chassis, it boasts a 3.6-liter V6 engine and advanced safety features like traffic sign recognition and forward collision warning. The innovative wet bath impresses with a swiveling sink for added comfort, maximizing the snug space. Its bedroom offers twin beds or a spacious double setup with an optional retractable rooftop sky bunk for extra sleeping space. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave, and ample storage. Inside, the Uconnect 5 system dominates with a 10-inch touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and a crystal clear backup camera. Another noteworthy feature is the Rapid Camp Plus for easy control of lights, tank levels, and the 2800-watt gas generator. The camper van's exterior includes a Tourig power awning, while the underbed storage and thoughtful screen doors add practicality. With an optional 200 watts of solar charging, this camper van is an all-in-one adventure companion, ready for the open road. Bruce Banner 4.0. The Bruce Banner 4.0 is a top-tier van designed and built by Tourig. Its 170 extended chassis offers ample space for families or adventure-seeking groups. Custom built on a 3500 axle rating, it boasts Method 901 dually wheels and Agile Off-Road's Stage 3 suspension, ensuring a smooth ride on and off-road. The interior is also beautiful, with a fiberglass shower with a Thetford cassette toilet, a cozy bedroom setup with hanging bunks and a pass-through panel, and a well-equipped kitchen featuring a microwave, induction cooktop, and a spacious 130-liter isotherm cruise. Of course, the SCA Pop Top provides sleeping space for up to 2 adults or 3 kids, while the 180 watts of solar on the roof and the 100-watt solar panel on the shortened Tourig Airliner roof rack keep you off-grid longer. The 4.0 is a custom build. If you're in love with the design and all that it has to offer, you can customize your own. Univan RT CL. The Unicamp Univan RT CL converts the spacious Kia Carnival minivan into an all-rounded camper. Its size surpasses discontinued compact vans, offering ample space for in-vehicle camping. With a pop-top roof, it swiftly expands to create a tent-like area with a 40 by 85-inch mattress, perfect for 2. Also, the optional Cook camper in a box adds a tailgate kitchen and second bed, enhancing functionality. The interior boasts a versatile layout, and the electric pop-top operation opens in just 5 seconds. While there's no bathroom or specific provision for a solar panel, if you already own a Kia Carnival, the Univan RT CL offers the cheapest and quite frankly the coolest transformation for just around $20,000. Tonke EQV Nomad. The Nomad is an electric camper van perfect for adventurers seeking a compact yet eco-friendly setup. Its size strikes a balance, offering ample space without being overly large. Built on a Mercedes-Benz 201 horsepower electric, it's got a massive range of up to 224 miles, making it ideal for road trips. The interior boasts a cleverly designed kitchen with an induction cooktop, slide-out units for outdoor cooking, and a multi-purpose workstation, perfect for digital nomads. Its 3-seat rear bench easily converts into a 57 by 80-inch bed, and options include a pop-up sleeper roof for extra berths. While it lacks a dedicated bathroom, the available tailgate drawer system offers storage for a fridge or other essentials. Equipped with an EcoFlow power station option and the potential for solar panels, it's well suited for off-grid adventures. XNH Volkswagen Camper. The ABT XNH camper van, based on the VW T6.1, is designed for people seeking a luxurious yet functional travel experience. Sized at 209 inches, it offers a cozy interior by Vanning GmbH, featuring a convertible 3-seat rear bench transforming into a double bed, and an additional pop-up sleeper roof bed. The scratch-resistant laminate interior contrasts with natural wood accents and sheep's wool insulation. There's also a kitchen block with an induction cooktop, fridge, and sink inside, while the tailgate reveals a pop-out unit with a gas stove and storage slide. It's powered by a robust electrical system, including a 1900 watt-hour lithium power station, 350 watt solar array, and LED lighting throughout. Lastly, with a topographic exterior design, automotive-grade electronics, and a $148,000 price tag, this camper is sure to stand out. Field Van Summit S1. The Summit S1 by Field Van is a compact, pop-top camper built on the Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 chassis. Ideal for adventurous couples or small groups, it offers a cleverly designed interior despite its low roof Sprinter size. Its standout feature is the pop-top penthouse, providing a 360-degree view and a cozy bedroom space, while the main living accommodates seating for 3 and converts into an extra bedroom. The well-appointed kitchen includes a microwave, induction stove, stainless steel sink, and a sizable refrigerator with a freezer. Interior highlights feature a convertible toilet and ample storage options, including a large closet and various cubbies. The van boasts a robust solar panel system with 200 watts on the roof and a 360 amp-hour lithium battery. Special touches include LED lighting, touchpad-operated switches, and swiveling front seats for a flexible living area. Price-wise, the Summit S1 with added features hovers around $190,000, offering a well-equipped, compact solution for on-the-go adventures. Ford Custom Nugget. Ideal for adventurers seeking smart camping solutions. The Nugget's innovative 3-zone layout separates the kitchen, lounge, and pop-up roof bedroom, providing ample space and convenience. The rear galley boasts a drawer-style fridge, expanded countertop, and a combo stove/sink, optimizing cooking and storage. The interior includes adjustable rear seats with heating options, swiveling front seats, and a foldable dining table, transforming into a cozy sleeping area. Special features like a smart RV touchscreen, 5G connectivity, and an optional rooftop solar array enhance functionality and connectivity on the go. There's also an anticipated PHEV option with 229 horsepower and 50 kilometers of zero-emission range. While the starting price is around €76,000, its thoughtful layout, tech integration, and potential for future all-wheel drive make it a compelling choice in the camper van market.